content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2017 Audi A6 S-Line. This is a flood damaged vehicle. It just came in off the truck. We're actually we're in the process of inspecting the vehicle, see if we're gonna be able to get it running, see if we're gonna build it. Right now we're looking for some signs under the hood of corrosion or rust. Looks pretty good outside of some normal wear. The vehicle's already 4 years old, so it's going to have some sort of corrosion. This is normal corrosion, not from flooding. All this is normal. So far it doesn't look like it was too deep. Lights, no condensation, no water line, no visible water line there. This headlight's clean too. Let's do a quick walk around and we'll check inside. We haven't attempted to start the vehicle yet. We got to make sure there's no water in the engine. Make sure the contacts are clean inside. Make sure all the modules are functioning correctly. Body looks really clean. Let's check inside. So far it doesn't look like it was that deep. I don't see any water in the pockets on the seats here. I don't see any signs of water under here. Contacts look clean, there's no rust. What I do see is some corrosion on the seat tracks. So there was definitely about 1 inch of water in here. Not horrible, but it's going to require us to pull the rug, pull these seats, and just clean everything up really nice. Check here. Looks pretty clean. This part of the seat track looks a little corroded. This is important. I don't think any water got there. Contacts look clean. So all the fuse boxes and modules are, there's a bunch of them under the center console and on the other side. Those are clean over there too. So really confident we can get this vehicle running. Definitely some water inside, not too bad. Once we get it running, we'll post it on the website. Prices, details. Thanks for watching.